Hey, this will be a video chart on VCTY. Did this one when the chart looked like that, and since then it has made a very nice move and went all the way up to this purple line that you can see right here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And this is, whenever the price is below it, typically a big resistance level, and sure enough right here you can see it did act as resistance and knock the price down. But so far it's been holding up, and the chart definitely needs to be updated here a little bit. These two lines you see here were from the last time I did the video, so if you're curious on why I placed them here and where they came from, just go back and go through the videos I've done, and you'll see the video that I did a few days ago. So the first update is I'm just going to get rid of this one, and what I had called this one in the previous video was a must hold support level, meaning you didn't want to see the price go below it. And what the first update is going to be is I'm going to just delete that one out of here and change this one to the new must hold level. And once more, all that means is if you want the chart to remain to have a chance at becoming very bullish, then this is the level that's going to need to hold now. It's done a good job of getting up here. We've been pulling back, and it's at this point in time we need to see it put in a higher low, not match the low. So what I mean by that is we don't want to see it drop all the way back down here and match this low. After this sign of strength here, we need to see it put in a higher low, and a higher low from a technical perspective would be being able to hold this area of support. So if the price came down here a little bit more, hovered around this level, and then headed back up, that would look very good from more of a longer term perspective, because we'd obviously have a set of lows that were right here, we'd have this set of lows down here, and then with that we'd have the ability to draw an uptrend line, which is what we want to do. That's the name of the game within the world of technical analysis. So this level here, which is at 0.0035, is going to be the new area, like I said, the must hold support level. In terms of resistance levels, pretty much the same thing that we've been looking at. This purple line here, which is a 50-day, that will remain an area of resistance, and then if it can get above there, we do have its big brother right here, this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. That one's valued at 0.008. So these two are going to be the key levels of resistance to try to get through on any sort of bounce. But for the time being, I wouldn't really worry about the resistance levels for the people that are in this for the longer haul. The important thing right now is this going to put in a higher low? So far so good. It has been pulling back, but you can see volume has been decreasing during this pullback, which is a good sign. But at the end of the day, price action's king, and we want to see this level of support be able to hold up right here. And if it can do that and then head back upwards and start to put in another new high, then we're going to be in a nice new uptrend. In the last video I did, I talked about how this wasn't quite a reversal, and I stand by that right now. It's definitely been a bounce, but as far as reversal, I'm not convinced yet, because we have to see if this level can hold. This just could be a dead cat bounce where it came up here and it's just going to return right back here and make lower lows. But if this is any sort of true reversal, this level is going to need to be able to hold right here, and like I said, and then head back up, and then that would be a great sign that this really does have some genuine overall strength to it. So don't get me wrong, the chart is hanging in there, and it needs to continue to do that. And if it can hold up on this level and then start to head back up, and then that's where I think a reversal can become a topic of conversation, because it will show that not only has it been able to explode up, but when it pulled back, it's been able to put in a higher low before heading back up. So only time will tell, but overall, it's been doing a good job of holding strong, and it's just going to have to keep doing that. If this chart's going to turn more bullish as each day passes by. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was VCTY. Thanks for listening.